Now, SacOil, the African independent upstream oil and gas company, has been awarded 100% equity interest and operator status in Block 1, an onshore petroleum prospecting license in Malawi. Joining us on the line for more details is Willem Demir, his Vice President at Commercial at SacOil. Willem, thanks for your time.
Good afternoon. Yes, it's a pleasure to be on your show.
Can we talk about Malawi being oil country yet?
Well, Malawi is an unexplored area, but perhaps on the cusp of joining the rest of Africa in terms of oil potential and activity. The area is still unexplored, but as you know, the Central African Rift system that comes down from Uganda through Tanzania, Zambia, also goes through the eastern part of Malawi. So from that perspective, we consider it to have the potential to develop into an oil province as well.
Yeah, so the fact that you guys have signed suggests that you have very strong indication, or at least some information, that there's likely to be something here. How much are you spending on exploration?
Well, our commitment for the first 4 years of the exploration period is for a total of $2 million. The main activities in that period of time will be on studying existing data that are available, which, as I mentioned, is not a lot because it is an unexplored block, and then to acquire new geophysical data, primarily gravity and magnetic data, which we will then analyze, and on the basis of that, we'll then decide what we do further.
Yeah. Now, of course, you say that Block 1 is on the border between Tanzania to the north as well as Zambia to the west. And we do know that there has been some dispute between Malawi as well as Tanzania about the control of Lake Malawi, as we have always called it over the years. Is that likely to disrupt this project, or are you guys unworried at all?
Well, we're not concerned. We're not aware of any disputes with Malawi itself as far as the border is concerned.
Right.
Firstly, and secondly, the block that we've been awarded is not on the lake, so it's not actually on the border with Tanzania.
Okay. What about the other countries around that area then? If Malawi has it, surely Zambia has it, as the former president of Zambia said years ago. I think it was a common joke amongst African journalists, something along the lines, if Malawi did it and Zambia did it, why can't we did it? So can Zambia did it too?
Yes, indeed. I think there's potential. We think there's potential in Zambia as well. We know there are other companies that are looking at exploration activities in Zambia. But similarly, Zambia still is largely unexplored. So hopefully, while we go through these early stages of exploration activities, we'll have some success.
Is there something that you're looking at in Zambia and potentially Mozambique as well, and then maybe probably stretching back to Zim?
Well, at SacOil, we focused on sub-Saharan Africa, and we're looking at building an African portfolio. So we are looking at all sub-Saharan countries, particularly focusing on areas where there has been success in similar areas in other countries. So I can't tell you exactly where we are looking. Safe to say that we are definitely focused on sub-Saharan Africa.
I was hoping you would tell me that you have got a big focus on Southern Africa because of all the oil and gas discoveries around Mozambique. And of course, when you move higher into Tanzania, there's also been very large discoveries of gas.
Well, that's right. We're very excited by the discoveries made by Anadarko and others in Mozambique, as well as BG and Ophir in Zambia. We're following that with keen interest. We're also very excited by the discovery made by Tullow and Africa Oil in Kenya, the oil discovery made recently. And incidentally, that discovery is in a similar kind of geological setting as what we are hoping to find now in Malawi.